Oh, it is raining. Super windy.
Bought the ticket, so we gotta take the ride, eh?
Look at that, Beatrice. Dolphins.
Yeah!
Did we have fun today?
Yeah!
Okay, let's show me. What do you see? Oh my gosh, there's one taking off.
Huh?
It's called takeoff.
Ciao. Please return back to the south satellite. At the checkpoint, you left behind an item. Once again, William Chow. Please return back to the south satellite. At the checkpoint for a left behind item.
What you eating? Morangu.
Look at this guy ready to take off. Did you put your seatbelt on yourself, Levi? I'm so impressed. Levi and George are buckled in. Tim. Gas is natural, guys. Okay, I said excuse me. There's Beatrice, ready for another flight, huh? What is this crazy travel family you were born into, huh?
And this my sister.
That is your little sister. Just a few hours till Hawaii. So it's actually supposed to snow quite a lot today in just a few hours. So our flight is gonna make it out of Seattle in the nick of time. Force lightning. Let's go, Levi. We're ready. Now I just have to find where the car rental place is. Beatrice is ready too. Our first stop is actually going to be Target, which is pretty funny, but I forgot to pack diapers. We have a city view from our hotel room. So down there to the left you can see is Waikiki Beach, which we actually have not been there yet. That's right, this is Hawaii.
So Levi and I have come to the 5th floor of our hotel. Let me just go and rescue this chap. I think he's playing. Alright, so wait, Levi, hold on. I think this gentleman's playing. Want to try? So we're walking to go and get some dinner. Just cruising around here in Waikiki. How you doing, Levi? Oh, wait a minute, that's not Levi. That's Beatrice.
Oh, is it raining? I think I felt another sprinkle.
I think it's coming from the tree.
Okay. So we were going to go get udon here, but the line is too long, so we're gonna come back tomorrow. Is it raining? We have to go inside.
Yeah, let's go, let's go.
Should we go get bubble tea then?
Okay.
Yeah, because it's
okay,
raining.
alright, let's do it. Bubble tea it is. there's a rainbow over there. Let's go and get some milk tea.
Stop! It's not funny.
You're so cute.
Pa! Who loves you? Pa! Who's your favorite? Pa!
Good morning, everyone.
Hi, hello.
Tim is just changing Beatrice. Hi, baby. Hi. And what's Levi doing? Thank you. So gorgeous. So we didn't see much yesterday because we got in and basically had time just to settle into the hotel and look for dinner. So today is our first full day of sightseeing and we're starting off at the Botanical Garden.
It's raining and we are in the car. We want to get a good family photo with the mountains in the backdrop, but not right now. You're right. Come here. Okay, let's go, let's go. Nice hair.
Just a little windy today. It's one of those days, crazy weather. Kids are a little crazy. What can you do?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
It is really beautiful.
So today is just one of those days. The weather has been really up and down. It's rained a couple times. It's super windy.
Yeah.
We didn't even plan that. That's just how windy it is.
Yeah.
And it's a bit chilly as well, which we weren't expecting. And then on top of that, both the kids are pretty cranky. Like every time we get in the car and get on the freeway, Levi either has to pee or poop. Once he says he has to go, he'll like cry and scream. He's like, I have to poop. Oh my gosh, it's so dramatic. And then once we stop, and then he's like, oh, I don't have to go anymore. And then he won't want to go before we leave. And then as soon as we're on the freeway, he has to go. So that's one thing. And then Beatrice has just been having a really, really tough time sleeping ever since we left Brazil, which is understandable because, you know, she is only 6 months old and it's a totally new environment. There's a bit of a time change, but it's just pretty rough. So she's just like really cranky during the day if we're not holding her, and just like her brother, she hates her car seat. It's 1:15 and they've been asleep, I want to say, for like 45 minutes maybe. So we're just sitting in the car.
But this has been one of the most peaceful, relaxing times we've had.
That's
in
true.
a long time.
Yeah, we're just starting to get a little bit hungry.
Yeah.
We decided to go to the Highway Inn for lunch, which is where we can try Hawaiian food.
The kids are awake and we're gonna have some lunch.
I got pork lau lau and Tim got beef stew. Enjoy! And what does Levi have? Ice water. I'll share with you, okay? Levi requested to come to a playground, so we've been driving around looking for one. We had 2 failed attempts and then we finally found one, so he's pretty happy.
Oh yeah?
You have to stand up.
Okay.
Stand up of you.
Like that, with you?
Hey, come on, Mama.
Okay, I'll go down after you. You go first. Alright, let's go. Choo-choo train. Choo-choo. You ready? Okay, go.
We're at Waikiki Beach. Did we have fun today?
Yeah! Don't clap your hands.
Why?
It's just pictures. Don't shout the pictures.
No, she loves it. Okay, good night.
Good night. Bye.
Rainbow over Waikiki. Good morning, Beatrice.
Hello.
Hi.
Look.
Tickling Appa.
Sure, thank you.
It's a rainy day in Honolulu, so we're at the Children's Discovery Museum. Are you having fun? Are you the doctor? Hey,
I have to lay down over
I have to lie down? Okay, what's wrong with me?
You're very sick.
Really? Give me some medicine.
Okay, like over here first.
Okay.
Like this.
Okay. Oh, thanks for helping Mr. Doggy.
It's only for him.
Levi's reunited with Curious George. Levi, where are we going?
To our circus. Okay. Down.
Okay. Okay, sorry. Look at that. Look at that, Beatrice.
The Plumeria Beach House for lunch today.
Got fish tacos.
Hamburger.
Oh my gosh, they have dolphins here. Oh! Did you see that? Whoa!
Did you see that?
I saw that. Wow! Did you see that, Levi? They have dolphins here.
Yes.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, did you see that? Oh, there. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad leaving this hotel. It's so nice. Hey! Thank you. So fun. Okay guys, let's dig in. going to Marukame Udon. Yay! This is the shortest we've seen the line. We jumped in it.
On top of that one.
But yeah, you know, from 11 o'clock
got the same thing and just waiting to eat because he's got Beatrice. Gotta save some for Levi. Sleeping.
So typically when we go out to eat now, we tag team. I'll eat, or Gloria will eat first, and then we'll switch.